Alan, paglapag mo ng New York, tumawag ka, ha? Oh, jacket mo. Mag-jacket ka doon, malamig doon. Magkakakain ka doon, ha? Yung ulcer mo. Maghanap ka ng mga Pinoy doon na makakain ka ng dinuguan. Huwag puro burger. At yung bisyo mo, ha? Bawas-bawasan mo. Magsimba ka. Baka naman, puro paghahanap ng second job ang katupagin mo. Abay, magpahinga ka naman. At kung sakaling magpapadala ka ng dollar, maghanap ka ng murang remittance. Baka mas malaki pang i-charge kaysa sa padala mo. At ito ang brief mo. At pagkalaba, huwag mong isampay kung saan-saan.
Mahal, huwag kang mag-alala. Yakang-yaka ko ang US. At higit sa lahat, gagabayan ako ng Tigra.
Kaya mo yan, at mas kaya kung may gabayan. Tigra Gabayan helps newcomers to the US. We are an NGO committed to building strong and vibrant Filipino transnational communities in the US and in the Philippines. Noon pa man, marami nang pinagdaanan ang Pinoy sa Amerika. Canning in Alaska, picking pineapples in Hawaii, sailing in San Diego, teaching in California, and nursing in New York. Migration is a community event. Tigra Gabayan is a community response, a network between the newly arrived and the established. Pwede kaming makatulong sa ilang mga challenges na haharapin mo. We can help you maximize opportunities and celebrate the good things too. Landing your first job in the States, opening your bank account, planning for your family's future, and finding the best ways to stay in touch. Sure, moving to a new place is never easy. Kaya mo yan, at mas kaya kung may Tigra Gabayan.
Okay ka na.
Baka mali ka sa flight mo. Anong oras na? Mag-iingat ka, mahal, ha? Mamimiss kita. I love you.